Welcome to NLP Marketing Secrets. Friends, when we get success for the first time, we feel too arrogant about our own awesomeness. We don't see contribution of other factors, other people, until we hit rock bottom or hit the rock bottom again until we receive the gift of humility. We suffer from humiliation, right? And this humility then allows you to hold success. This is called cycling. This cycling goes on until you learn a lesson. And it's definitely not a joyful experience for anyone, right? Friends, actually, I did my Bachelor of Civil Engineering, and then I did my architecture, and I did 16 long duration workshops in NLP, right? And also many other trainings. So I thought myself that I am much more intelligent than others. Also, when started doing my trainings, NLP wellness, NLP business, and sales workshops, I wanted to improve my conversion ratio, right? I wanted actually more customers because I wanted more profit. So this was not reality. Actually, what I wanted is I was fearful of my every month bills coming in, EMI every month, and also expenses to take care of every month, right? This was the reality. So when I started running my advertisement for introduction, and people actually saw their interest that I'm interested in this because it was good. No? I also do very good NLP, and I also practice it and implement it and help many people. But after showing interest, they do not come to workshop. Somehow, I don't know. And then, as I am learning NLP since 1996 and read a lots of books and attended many trainings, NLP has a term called presuppositions. And one presupposition says that there are no failures, only feedbacks. And while thinking over this, I found out that I was too arrogant. I was thinking that I am smart, and also I am not doing any follow up to those people who showed their interest. And I was thinking, like, if they perceive the value of my course, they will come. so stupid at that time, I just can't tell you. So I understood this after this NLP presupposition, and I decided that I will follow up them on call, and also not only just a follow up call, but I will network with them, right? But the problem is when I started making call to people, some people directly said no on my face. It's so humiliating experience. And some people never picked up my phone. I don't understand why. After showing interest, they don't pick up the phone. And some said that, okay, I will think over it and I will tell you. So funny everything. But finally I improved, and I also knew lots of business techniques, so I applied the principles of urgency and scarcity and all. And we actually see this all I already knew, but once I understood that there is also another principle, that if something is not working, do something else. This is also an NLP presupposition, and I understood this and I changed my way of working. And uh, I started doing 3 workshops every month, right? And that too, all workshops are profitable. Also, you know that we have lockdown in this year 2020, and 9 months lockdown from March to December we are suffering right now, right? But during this lockdown, I not only improved my business, but I made my business 10 times than before in this lockdown time. Also making good money out of it. But do you know, in reality, I am now not worried about my EMI or bills every month coming in, or every expenses of every month. I am free from that worries because money is coming in. Also, not only that, many new friends are coming into my network. So that was all about never do cycle twice. Never do cycle twice. And thank you for attending this NLP Marketing Secrets.